So, you heard, you read that right. I'm not going to ESGS 2023. It's obviously not because I know na medyo ano lang talaga, like, yes, pinili nila yung ano, yung event para ma-accommodate yun. Pero at the same time, the ticket prices are so freaking expensive. Not gonna lie though. Like, I mean, first of all, mahirap lang talaga ako. Yes, you heard that right. Mahirap talaga ako kasi una, it's ano yun eh. Just ano yun. Kaya, una, ano talaga, like, ang mahal talaga. Like, 750 pesos. Like, right now, medyo ano nga talaga eh. Nahirapan na akong makapagbili ng kahit isang ticket. I know. It's no good reason to winch and complain about it, but actually, I did give a rat's arse about it. So, yeah. And second, ano nga talaga, medyo, ano talaga eh, like, ang dami kong pagkagastusan ngayon, like, the PNG tubing of Yuki, yes! Yan nga yung inaasikaso ko, and, of course, ano, so, like, as much as I like to go to ESGS, and medyo sana ayaw ng mga con-goers na mangyari katulad sa Conquest, I think right now, just giving ESGS 2023 a benefit of the doubt. Like, yeah, bakit ang mahal ng tickets? Bakit ano, wag niyo gayahin yung ano yung ruta ng ano ng Conquest. That is actually bullshit para kung tatanungin mo. like honestly, ano eh, I feel sad. Bakit ganun talaga? You know, of course, medyo, yun na nga, it's the situation. Pero ewan ko, don't worry. Hindi ibig sabihin na ano, until na, ano talaga, baka makahanap ako ng mga ano, conventions na ano. I don't know, I don't want to ESGS na ano, to fail. I wish ESGS ano a big success about dun Unlike Conquest, fuck that event. I mean, nakapunta na nga ako kasama yung pinsan ko and ano, ay nako nang nangyari. Ay nako. I don't want to talk about it. I mean, it's the ano, like ayoko rin mangyari yung ano, yun sa ESCS. We don't want to wish to that ano, kind of route. And honestly, medyo I'm gonna in that way na say na ano talaga, it's more of a price issue than it's ano. So, I wish na siguro next event pwede bababaan lang kahit ano, 300 plus. I mean, isn't yung ESG's 2022, ano yun eh, 380, which is reasonable talaga kasi naintindihan ko na ano yun. Pero this time I'm not gonna go that ano route na expensive ticket pricing. Is just bullshit as it is. So yeah, that's it for now. So hindi talaga ako pupunta. I'm sorry. I really, really sorry.